Hello everyone, this is Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today we're looking at this brand new ANDERIC RR03328 replacement remote control. This is a 100% direct replacement for the original RCA GE PROScan VCR remote control. It comes pre-programmed right out of the package. We offer a 1-year replacement warranty and a no questions asked guaranteed return policy right here from ReplacementRemotes.com. If you have a question or would like to purchase this remote control over the phone, give us a call toll-free at 1-855-553-6683, and our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or as always, log on to our secured and trusted website by clicking the link below this video I provided, hit the green Add to Cart button, and we'll ship you this brand new remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.